All right, drawing a trend line here. Now, the tricky bit for a trend line is what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to take this graph and we're gonna have to be able to copy that, right? So what that means is I'm gonna take a screen capture of this stuff here, right? So the way I do that is I hit the home button and the kind of close button. I'm gonna take this, minimize this thing down, all right? And I'm gonna send this into Notability, all right? And I'm gonna add it to my already pre-existing one there. So I'm gonna add it to that and import it, okay? So when that's done, come on. Then I'm gonna double click that, go to my Notability, and see, it's right there, okay? So then if I can select this, move it down there. Now, to put in an actual trend line here, what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to draw. So we'll make it, I don't like blue, let's go red, okay? For this one, it looks kind of curved. So I'm gonna try and hit as many points as I can. Now, when we do a trend line, it can be curved. So for example, if we had points like this, like this, like this, and like this, guess what? Green trend line for that one, I'm gonna hit as many as I can. That's gonna be a straight line for us, all right? So that's how I would get the trend line portion of this so that I could get my 1 point, all right?